dreams to reality. The future's clear. Renta's here to share the gear. A world where sharing takes the lead. Tech and trust fulfill our needs.
No more walls, we break the chain. Decentralized will ease the strain. NFTs and AI pave the way. A rental revolution starts today. No more walls, we break the chain. Decentralized will ease the strain. NFTs and AI pave the way. A rental revolution starts today. Renta, the power's in your hands. Global sharing across the lands. Smart contracts, simple and secure. A brighter future, rest assured. From tools to cars and even space, Renta transforms every place. No intermediaries, just you and me. Together building digital harmony. Renta, the power's in your hands. Global sharing across the land. Smart contracts, simple and secure. A brighter future, rest assured. Renta, the power's in your hands. Global sharing across the lands. Smart contracts, simple and secure. A brighter future, rest assured.
Transparency in every deal. Blockchain tech trust you can feel. Sustainable choices one by one. For people, for planet, for everyone. Sticking to a world where dreams align. Renta network, a future defined. Together we grow, together we share. Renta network beyond compare.
Step into a world where dreams align. Renta network, a future defined. Together we grow, together we share. Renta network beyond compare.